In this ark we have a sow that's very close to farrowing. She's been very restless all day. She's been gathering up all this surplus straw here and taking it back into the ark, and she's exhibiting typical nesting behaviour by drawing the straw underneath her, and she's up and down all of the time, very, very restless. The other thing that you'll notice is that the udder is very distended and is full of milk. I would say that she's about to farrow within the next hour or two. This pig ark has been set up for farrowing. You can see at the back it has bars ready for the piglets to go underneath, away from their mother. It has a door at the back which is currently open. The reason that it's open today is because it's very hot. As soon as she's farrowed, the door at the back will be shut. There's also facility here for plugging in a heat lamp, which can also be put above the piglets to attract them into the creep area at the back of the ark. Normally the best management of a sow when she starts to farrow is to leave well alone. The more that she's disturbed during farrowing, the more she'll get up and get down, then the more risk there is to the piglets being squashed. Farrowing takes a variable amount of time. With an older pig like this one, it may be over in an hour or two, but for gilts, perhaps with their first farrowing, it may take even longer. There's no definite period that a farrowing will take. What you can do is discreetly watch from a distance, and obviously if the things are not going well, if there's a long break with no piglets appearing, then you may have to go and have a look and see what's going on. If there's a very long period where there's no piglets, then you should really seek veterinary advice.